what's in there, Drax.
Oh, Mommy.
Got a spoon. Phone case.
Thank you. I got it. I'll hold it for you. Okay, I got it. Yes, you put that in. Just in case you don't know where your thing is, it's in safekeeping, yeah? Okay. Oh, yeah. Get that spoon. Yeah, let's get that spoon. Okay.
How you gonna put the ta-all in, bud? I don't know yet.
Mash it in.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
He's trying to get Dad
It's
to.
your hand to do it.
Here, let's
You
see.
want
Watch
Pappy's
me do
hand?
this. Oh, it opened magically. You can put it in now. Here. That's
Oh,
it.
there you go. Close it up.
You did it! You did it! Yay!
Good job.
You did it.
I got that.
You got these? Thank you. Okay. Oh.
This is hour 63 of the cooler load.
Yes.
Oh.
They loaded space shuttles faster.
Yes.
He just hasn't gotten the configuration set yet. No, I don't think that should go on that side. We're not laughing at you.
Oh,
No.
it's really
He's like, hey.
Yeah, it's funny.
Yes, give it to him.
What's in here?
Get that.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. Oh, got it. Okay.
I'm trying a little crazy.
Yeah, get that.
The cooler.
Get that. On second thought, maybe it should go back in. Yeah, back in. In. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Well,
Oh.
he's surprised every time. Oh, guys, you're never gonna guess what's in here.
Show Mommy.
Yes, sweets, what's in there?
Mom.
What is it? Oh, no. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right,
It's
okay.
frustrating him a little bit.
Yeah, that it can't open.
Let's push it up this way. Oh, look at that. Oops. Yeah, there you go. All right. All right. Show Daddy. Show Daddy. Daddy. Oh, Dad, let him. Look, Dad.
Don't like it.
Yeah.
We drove all the way to that special store for that.
Well, that's just one of them, but
All right.
Oh.
it's, yeah, crunchy. Underripe.